Hello darlings, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, brows are on point and my face has already been moisturized and primed for this killer frost makeup tutorial. I'm starting by applying this Kat Von D lacquered foundation in the shade Light 42 to just a thin layer to give it a clean look to the face. Now to prepare the eyes, I am applying NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in milk and setting it with a translucent powder. Now to start working on the eyes, I'm going to start with this black eyeshadow and starting from the outer corner of my eyes in a triangular motion and working it towards the center of my eye crease. Now I'm using this tape to make sure this black eyeshadow doesn't get anywhere. Now I am using a blending brush to get rid of all those harsh lines. And for me, my eyelids, I'm applying a white eyeshadow, and to give it a little bit of frost, I'm applying this LA Color Shimmering Loose Powder Eyeshadow in a Snow White. And using a eyeliner brush, I'm going to be applying a black cream eyeliner on the upper and lower line. Using Benefit's They Are Real mascara, I'll be applying a couple of coats on the lower and upper lash before applying my falsies. Now for this tutorial, I am using Ardell Natural Multipack lashes, since I wanted to go a little bit more natural. Now, cleaning any eyeshadow fallout before applying my concealer. I'm using a very light shade to give it a nice clean canvas. Before continuing with the face, I'm going to prime and moisturize my lips by applying Hanali lip treatment. Now back to the face, using the same shade Kat Von D in a combination with Laura Geller Cover Latte Cream Foundation in medium. Now this combo is going to give me that pale and yet a natural look for this tutorial. Now I am setting it with LA Girl HD setting powder. Continuing by contouring my nose, the hollows of my cheeks, my jawbones, my neck, and of course the temples, and make an angry face. Now for a highlighter, I'm using the same Snow White shimmer loose powder on my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid bow, and the inner corners of my eyes. Now let's work with those lips. Using these gray lipsticks, you guys, I got this one at the Halloween store. I'm going to be using this as the base for my lips since I'm creating my own lipstick shade by using this blue eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying many coats until I achieve the right shade I'm looking for. Once I get to this shade, I'm going to apply some more of that Snow White powder on the center of my lips to give it some definition. And I'm going to be using this blue eyeshadow one more time from the outer corners, working it towards the center to define the lips. Now that the lips are done, let's move on to the hair. Hair is done, but something is missing. Yes, you guessed it right. The contact lenses. Now, this is not the right color I wanted, you guys, because I couldn't find the ones that I really wanted, but these should do the trick. Now, here we go. As you can see, it is a little bit hard to go into the eye, but there is one. Now, while I continue putting the other one, make sure your hands are always clean before you apply any contacts. Now, this look is complete, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and also watch my other tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the button below, and don't forget to tap the little bell so you can get notified whenever new videos go up. And I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.